Hello and welcome back, my stylish friends. Today I want to talk about snowflakes. I'm making a lot of them each year, and recommended size hook is 1.5 for size 10 crochet thread. I use cotton thread, and sometimes like this one is mixed with metallic. And again, you can use 1mm, 1.5, or even 2mm hook if you want to make a larger snowflake. But I'm telling you, my favorite actually crochet size hook for this project is this one. It's 1.65mm. I'm not sure why, but this one works wonders for me. And I do need first aid tape and band-aid. I will also need needle, thread needle, and of course scissors. Okay, so before I start, I need to prepare my hook. And what I do, I take this first aid tape. It's very spongy and it's not sticky, so it does not leave residue on the hook. And I just cover the writing on the hook that is kind of implanted in my finger if I don't do this. I just go around a few times, cut, and just make sure that is secure. And now I have nice spongy and soft hook to work with. So that will be my right hand protection. And for my left hand protection, I use band-aid only because I can go around my finger and is secure. I just need one band-aid and it's right here in my top of the middle finger. I always press the hook there. So if I don't do that, I literally have a hole in my finger. So that will protect me. And now I can start making snowflake. This video is not how to make the snowflake. I'm just showing you how I prepare myself when I'm making one. Snowflakes can be beginner-friendly projects because we are using majority of stitches will be chain stitch and single crochet stitch. Occasionally we will make a little bit taller stitches, but what is challenging with snowflakes is the size of your work. It's very tiny. Also, your yarn tension has to be right, and there is so many intricate connections of your stitches. We are using a lot of slip stitches when making snowflakes, but snowflakes are fun to make, and as long you have only 6 branches, you are fine. Create your own and you will love it. There you go. I do have some patterns written for beginners with every step picture if you'd like to try, but thank you for watching and always protect yourself. Have a great one.